Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools, and it's Monday, and you know what that means. It means it's time for, come on, say it with me, Deals of the Week. That's right, we got your hot, spicy deals here. Got them all lined up. Now, real quick, of course, before we jump into it, I got to tell you what's going on over the Facebook page over at facebook.com/group/Den of Tools. Not only do we have deals that get posted, but also people are posting projects and stuff. So I wanted to highlight some of the some of the projects that's going on. Jason Smith added these. He made some redwood car ramps that snap together. If you notice, there's a couple snaps on here. These things, you invert the other one, it snaps together, locks together, and you got two carry handles. That's a pretty nifty build right there. We got some French cleat systems over here. Jeff Emerson has his French cleat system going, just getting started there, it looks like, but nice modular system there. And then also for storage for the old rack system, because you can, not the rack system, the clamp system, you can never have too many clamps, as we all know. So Robert Barth has his clamp system going there over on the French cleat. Now, all right, let's jump into it. We got a hot deal over at the Walmarts. Now, this is through... we're using the site called BrickSeek. Now, what that does is that lets us search online inventory in some retailers, one of them being Walmart. Now, Walmart can be a bit sketchy with their inventory. So, you know, if it's across town, it may not be worth going for. But anyway, we got the Campbell Hosfield 3/8 pneumatic socket set here for, yep, look at this. $5. That's 75% off. Checking some stores in the Vegas area. In stock 3 to 4, in stock 2 to 3, in stock 3 to 4. Limited stock. If you see limited stock, it's probably not going to show up. If you see it in green, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and it's not too far away, maybe go check it out. If it's on the other side of town and it's Walmart, probably not worth your time because it's probably going to be out of stock already, or by the time you get there. As I said, they're not great with their inventory system. But anyway, great beginner DIY kind of stuff here for $5, 3/8 pneumatic socket set. Okay, over at the Home Despot here, we've got Milwaukee. Now, we talked about the Milwaukee Circ Saw, one of the other Milwaukee Circ Saws last week, and they had the deal where you get the free battery. We'll see it here in the M18 5.0, the fuel here, 7 1/4 inch, and it comes again with the XC. I think I accidentally said, I said something different. It's extended capacity, not the high energy or high output. I think that's what I said last time. But anyway, $250 for the saw with battery is a screaming deal. Now, still over at the Home Depot, we got the Milwaukee Fan Plus Sander there for $134. And still over at the Home Depot, we got the Rigid. We've talked about these Rigid shop vacs before. They're excellent shop vacs. $79.97 for a 12-gallon 5.0 peak horsepower. Now, let's be honest, we always know those horsepower things are a bit skewed, but Rigid has made itself a pretty good name in the shop vac industry, and you see them on job sites and in home shops all over the world. Now, can't believe I'm saying this, but somebody pointed out that Rockler was having a great sale. Rockler has some really cool products, but one of the downsides is they're not usually cheap. But we got some nice accessories and such here. The abrasive cleaning stick. Now, this is like a giant rubber eraser. And what it does is it pulls all the sawdust and stuff out of your sanding belts and makes them like new again. It will double, if not triple, the length of your sandpaper. You should be using this if you got any kind of sand belts, spindle sanders, bench sanders, handheld, that kind of stuff. You want to be using this. $5 each. That's a good price. Now, over here, we also have the Porter Cable 690 LR router. People are always asking me about routers, and, you know, my default answer has always been Porter Cable. Save $30 on this. It's $109, or $110, essentially. And then we've got the Surefoot aluminum bar clamps. Rockler has some great clamps, just fabulous clamps here. And seeing them on sale is nice. We got them starting at $39, or basically $40, $45, $30, $60, all sorts. These are excellent, excellent clamps. And they got the little foot on them so you can clamp something up, sit it on there, use it for drying, use it for painting, use it for glue ups, all sort of stuff. Over at Lowe's. Now, if you remember, about this time last year, we demoed this set. I picked up for $150 back then. And it's the 24 volt. We got the string trimmer and the blower. And I had to say, I thought they were great. I thought for the money, these were decent. Well, you know what? For the money, we see here on Amazon, they're selling for $190. Lowe's has them in stock right now for $130. Sale ends July 7th, so you even got some time to think about it there, but maybe not before they go out of stock. This is for the home DIYer, and if you're already in the Cobalt system, this is a no-brainer. Pick it up. If you've got a small to medium-sized yard, this will take care of it for you. And I've been really happy with it. I'm going to compare it, though. I've got the 40-volt one from Hart. We're going to be comparing that this summer, see how that works. I'm no doubt the 40 volts going to have a little bit more oomph to it and such, but still, it's a good string trimmer. We got over at Direct Tools. Don't remember, this is TTI's. They're the guys who make Milwaukee and Rigid and Ryobi and Hart and a bunch of other stuff. Anyway, we've got a Rigid 4th gen 18 volt 1/4 inch impact driver for $35.70. This is a certified pre-owned. So basically it's come back, they've gone over it, they say it's good to go. And at $35, man, $36, that's a screaming deal. Now, also over there, they've got the Ryobi 6.2 amp 5/8 inch VSR hammer drill for $15. If you're looking for something a little bit beefier this summer, this is a nice little pickup. It's corded, no worry about batteries. Doesn't matter what system you got, you just plug this in and you're good to go. Now, over at the old Den of Tools, yep, 100% free shipping. We got hats, shirts, stickers, the Shut Up Moto. We got the Team Tool Bear magnet, Team Tool Bear stickers, the 2 mini sticker packs. And also, here's the deal. So we've had the Home to Service workbook and the guide to how to brew beer and how to make moonshine. The ebooks for $1 each. We now have a limited run of signed paperbacks for $10 each. So if that's something you're looking for, maybe a gift for Father's Day coming up, why don't you go ahead and grab one of those. Over on Amazon, Klein Tools, long nose, wire cutter, wire crimper, stripper, and bolt cutter. Multi-tool 8 inches long for $11.99. That's more than $8 off. These are, not my favorite style of cutters, wire cutters, crimpers, but they will get the job done. They're nice and slim. That's the one thing you can say about these. And look at this. It's got all the tools, built in this one thing that you could possibly need. And, Klein is, of course, a great company. Now, most of their stuff is, as I understand it, made in the USA. This might be made in the USA. I don't know for sure. If you do know, comment down below. Let me see here. They wave the U.S. flag. Maybe it is. If I find something different that it's not made in the USA, I will post it down below. But I will say most companies I've seen that sell this style of cutter crimper, they usually go to China for those, even though they make most of the other stuff in the U.S. But who knows? With Klein might be good enough that they keep it all in-house. Don't see. Yep, there we go. Says it right there on the tool. USA. Sorry, I missed it before. Right there. USA made. So there you go. On Amazon, we got the DeWalt's Mechanics Tool Set, Socket Set, 156 piece for, $150 with free delivery. That's a great, if you've been looking for a socket set, now they also have the 204 piece, and that's $280 for that one. So that's a nice price on that one. Now, still on Amazon, we've got, all right, I want to talk about these tool systems. Now, here's a good deal. The DeWalt Toolbox, part of the T-Stack system, on sale now for $17.95. That's 42% off. Now, this is like the Milwaukee system where you can lock everything together. You create your own stacking system and everything. It's got the little yellow handles on the side are locks to lock it into the box below it or above it. So you can see down below there's little slots where it would lock into the one below it. So it's a great little system. Here's the thing about the DeWalt system. It also is directly compatible with the Craftsman system. Same system. You'll find some different modular kind of boxes with the Craftsman than you will with the DeWalt. But the locking system is interchangeable. So you can have half DeWalt, half Craftsman, mix and match. If you're all in Craftsman, but there's one DeWalt box you want, you can pick it up. And I've said this before also, it's harder to find, but DeWalt Stanley FatMax system is also a T-Stack locking system. All three of these systems are interchangeable, and quite often on some of the bargain bin ones, because you don't really see these FatMax ones around very often anymore. So sometimes on the discount sites, you can see them show up. Not here, $90. That's definitely a little bit pricey, more than a little bit. But the point is that if you keep your eye out, you can find these. So mix and match to your heart's delight there. Over on the Woots. Now, Woots, if you remember, it's a deal site that's owned by Amazon. So if you have Amazon Prime, you can use your Amazon Prime account with it and get discounted shipping, the whole 9 yards. They've got a wholesale on reel extensions. 30, 33 foot, 40 foot, 50 foot, 40 foot 12 AWG. We got 40 foot 14 AWG and 50 foot 14 AWG. All sorts of stuff here. As you can see, some of them are already sold out, so you're going to have to move fast on that if you want some of these deals. Again, remember, folks, all the deals are going to be listed below down in the video description. You know, it's summer. We're still over on Woot here, but summer, so we're going to talk about some outdoor cooking stuff. I just wanted to show them to you real quick. We're not going to spend a bunch of time on it, but we'll scroll through here, and if you see something, you can pause the video, see a little bit more about the detail of the price on it, decide if that's something you want to head on over there and check out. But I'm a big fan of cast iron, so anytime I see cast iron cookware, it gets me a little excited. Hitachi still on Woot. We've got the Hitachi 10.8 volt cordless impact for $45. The rotary hammer drill SDS Plus 18 volt for $63. We got the 18 volt hammer drill for $67. And we've got, check this out, the 18 volt Lion brushless SDS Plus 1 rotary hammer for $140. So again, those are all over on Woot. These are usually like closeout deals. So go check those out. One last one on Woot. We've got Craftsman accessory bundle. Your choice, 52-piece power tool accessory set with 8-piece spade auger bit or 43-piece screwdriver kit with 8-piece spade auger bit. Depending on what you choose, either $19, $20 or $25. First bundle is $25. Second bundle is $20. All right. Tractor Supply. People are always asking me in the live streams, and if you haven't been to the live stream, why haven't you been to the live stream? Every Sunday at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. Come by, check it out, say hi to the Jeff and the wife and the missus and the cubs and everyone, and the Labrador, she always makes an appearance. Anyway, but someone always asks about trailers. First video we ever did on YouTube was the utility trailer. This one right here we picked up at Tractor Supply. And I can tell you, it's been a great trip. It's been all over. It's been from California to Montana, California to Nevada, California down south, up north. The only place we haven't gone is west. It doesn't have any floats on it, so hard to go west from California. That said, we've put thousands of miles on this thing, had it bake in the sun, had it freeze in the winter up here in Montana. It's still going strong. And I tell people constantly, it's hard to beat these prices. Look at this. Here's some of the other ones you see from Craigslist. We went to Craigslist. $700. $750. Look at that. Fabulous. $750. $800. People are insane. They're just absolutely insane when it comes to what they think their old, rusted, broken down trailer is worth. I don't get it. I'll never understand it. But that's why I keep recommending those Tractor Supply trailers. At $700, $800, whatever it is, they make some great trailers. They're very reliable and they're easily upgradable. If you've seen my videos, I've done all sorts of upgrades and mods on mine, and I love it. We use it all the time. It's just a great investment. We bought it when we just had a minivan and had no pickup truck at the time, and used it to death. And even when I got the pickup truck, I thought, well, I'll never use it. No, I used it probably even more. It was just amazing. So anyway, go check them out. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you today. Oh, we got one last thing on sale, and that is the like button. Yep, right down there. Totally free this week only. Go ahead and give it a chomp. Just chomp on the old like button there. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you today. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what your favorite deal of the week was, or any of the ones you think we missed, or you got any questions about it. Until next time, you all take care. God bless. And as always, come on, say it with me. Shine on.